Okay, now today we are having the last lesson of front page. Right? The topic is applying animation to front page pages. So how to apply? First of all, open that folder, morning term S 54 sorry 16/5/2012 index.html. Right? How to open this page? Front PG. Either click on file and click on open, and then select the application desktop and then classes. This is one way, right? Another way, what you have to do, close this one as well. No, not double click. If you are double clicking, it will open in Internet Explorer. Click on this, drag and drop it here on the here. Now after this, what you have to do, control A, full page selected, right? What's this? In the format, what's this? Dynamic HTML effects. Click on this. Now on, choose an event. Event means action. Choose an action. Action, I'm going to select from here page load. When the page get load, select an effect from here. Now apply which one effect? Let's say I'm selecting elastic. Now on page load I'm having elastic effect, and now setting for this elastic effect is from bottom and from right. Let's say this is from right. Close this, save, change is saved, close this page. What's the next one page? Let's say I'm having about.html. Click, drag and drop it here on the front page. Control A, format, dynamic HTML effect. Now choose an event from here. Let's say on page load this is fly in from bottom, from right. Different settings are here with you, right? For example, I'm selecting from top right, this one, or bottom right, bottom left, any setting. Close this and save these changes. Saved. Now for the next page, I'm having contact.html. Drag and drop it here. Control A, format, dynamic HTML effects. From here I'm selecting page load. Let's say zoom in or out. For example, zoom in. Close, and from here save it. Close here. Again, the last one page I think I'm having services done or not? Okay, let's say services. Control A, format, dynamic HTML effects. From here I'm selecting page load, and from here apply. For example, this is spiral having no settings, right? And close the toolbar, and from here save the changes. Saved. Close, minimize. Next one, let's say feedback. Drag and drop. Is the whole table selected, right? Here I selected table. Format, dynamic HTML effect. Event is page load, the same thing. And from here I'm elastic, drop in by word. Here you are having drop in by word. It will take too much time. So let's say I selected elastic from bottom. This is one effect. Control A. Whole page selected. On whole page, let's say page load and wipe top to bottom. Close it and watch it here. Feedback.html having static here because I have made some changes. Save the changes and close it. Close this one as well. All pages done. These pages are the supporting pages for these files, are the supporting files for the buttons, the banner, right? Now simply double click on index.html. Click allow block content. Yes. Got it? Refresh and see. About us, contact us, services. This is spiral. Jobs page, I think I don't have. sitemap, FAQ, no. Feedback. Is this clear? So this was applying animation to the pages. Jobs page I don't have. Okay, now after this, this will be slow when you upload it over the internet. Here no settings available for slowing it down, right? Now the next thing, sorry. So I copied a folder, a zip folder to you people, to each and everyone, that is by the name of Macromedia Studio 8 point, Macromedia Studio 8, right? Right click on this and click on extract here. You have to extract it first of all. You have to open it, right? Extract it. Here I am having the extracted form. Double click. Now what I want to install the fireworks. But first of all, what's this? Key generator. Double click on this. Now what I'm going to install? I want to install fireworks. So product, which one product? Fireworks, select it from here and select the serial number from here first of all. Right click, copy. Serial number copied, right? Now double click on fireworks. Why this serial number for? This is serial number. This serial number is for registration. Next. I accept license agreement. Next. Shortcuts. No, I don't need any shortcuts. Next. It will support all these extensions. Okay, fine. Next. And install. So I have already installed the fireworks. It has asked the key from me. I have made entry of the key, the serial number. So it will not ask, but whenever it asks from you, just paste that one, right? Just paste that one key. Finish. Now, in order to open fireworks, simply write here fireworks. Simply write here fireworks, right? Please excuse me, don't talk. In the beginning of class, I already discussed with you people that fireworks is used for designing purpose, right? Light designing, light. Adobe Photoshop is used for heavy designing. Here, the fireworks is used for designing buttons, designing top area of website, bottom area, background designing, picture mixing, yeah, banner, button making, etc., right? Okay, as I open the fireworks right now, it's asking two things. Open a recent item, mean to say old, and create a new. So where should I click? On recent item or create new? Of course, I have to click on create new. Now, for example, in MS Word, when you click on new, so what it open for you? New what? New document. Excel open new sheet. Okay, and PowerPoint open new presentation. New presentation, and access database. So exactly like that, in the fireworks, when you click on new firework file, it will open canvas for you. Canvas, right? Clicked. Now first of all, it's asking about the canvas size. Width of the canvas, height of the canvas, and resolution. Resolution means pixels per inch. Per inch, how many pixels you need? 72 is the default value, don't change it. If you are going to increase it, the picture quality will be too much high, it will take time in uploading and downloading, right? Okay, let's say I need the width of the canvas as 300 by 300. Canvas color white, transparent, or custom. If you are going to select custom, then you have to select any color from here. The canvas color will be like that. But let's say in beginning I'm selecting white. Click on OK. This is the canvas size. Width and height is 300 by 300. Right? This is the toolbar exactly like you have studied in the Photoshop. Now canvas color, if you want to change, you can change from here. Again, if you are thinking, no, the canvas size is bigger or smaller, so you can rearrange it from here. Canvas size, let's say I'm writing here 100, and here as well I'm writing 100, 100 by 100, right? Okay, now the first lesson here in the fireworks, text selected, wait please, excuse me. Okay, now the first thing which I'm going to make, that is some animated GIF. I want to make some animated GIF, right? Okay, from here I selected text tool, right? Clicked. Size is small, I want to increase its size. Size increased. Now I'm writing here. Now I've written some text, but the canvas is smaller. So click aside. What's this? For example, if text is selected, there is no any option like fit canvas. So click aside, and from here I'm clicking on fit canvas. Right? Now click on the text. I want to make it bold, one thing. And if you want to change its style, yeah, you can change its style as well. This one text selected, right? And now fit canvas, click on fit canvas once more. Again, text selected, and change its color to red color, right? Now window, in the window you are having, what is this? Frames. Click on the frames. Lot of windows are here. First of all, close all of them. Right click, close panel group. Right click, close panel group. For each and every one do like this, right? All panels, close. All of them. Okay. Now again, window, and in the window what I will click? Frames. Shortcut key for frames is Shift plus F2. Right? Selected. Now, this is first frame. On first frame, I'm having Kardan University, right? Click on Kardan University, Control X. Control X stands for cut. New or duplicate frame, plus. This is now second frame. On first frame, I'm having nothing because I cut the text. On second frame as well, nothing. Control V here. Okay, plus Control V. A, again plus Control V. Are you people getting what I'm going to do? KAR plus Control V. D, A, nothing. First character, second character, third, fourth, fifth, again plus Control V. This time I'm having N, and remove this space as well, plus Control V. Now this time I need this space up to here, right? Kardan space. Now again new frame, Control V. I need U. Now N, Control V. I, Control V. V, E. Next time R, S, Control V, I, and plus Control V, nah, T, Control V, now why should be here, Y, again one more frame and Control V. Okay, now if you watch carefully, in front of each and every frame 7777777 is written. Now what's the meaning of this? Now click on first frame, I'm telling you. Double click on this. 7 divided by 100 second. If you are writing here 100, so mean to say the first frame will wait for 1 second. If you are writing here 100, so mean to say 100 means here 100 means 1 second. 100 divided by 100 means 1 second. If I am writing 50 here, so what will be the meaning of 50? Half second, right? Okay, let's say I am saying that the first slide or the first frame should wait for 1 second. Double click. The next frame should wait for no, not half. Make it slow. No, slow. Sorry, make it faster. Instead of 50, half of 50, 25. This one as well 25. All of them 25, right? This one as well. And the last one, the 18th frame and 19th frame, both are same. The text on the frames are same, right? So for the last one, I'm going to apply, let's say 1 second. Or let me write here 200 for 2 seconds. Wait it for 2 seconds. Now click on the first frame. Link all of them. How to link? Now, watch it out. Here is a symbol, right? What you have to do, now click here on the last frame on its back. On the back side of this 19. Before this 19, I'm going to click. Clicked, all of them linked. Now, how to save? Check it out. Classes, morning, from S, Control Shift N. What's the date today? 23-05-2012. 23/5/2012. Control Shift N. This is by the name of images. Okay. Now for saving, file, and you have to click on save. No. Save as no. You have to click on export wizard. Export. I'm going to export this GIF. This is animated GIF. Export wizard clicked. Continue. Simply continue. If you want to increase its quality from here, you can select 256. Right? And simply click on export. Now where to save? Over the desktop, I'm having the classes folder. Morning from S. 23/5/2012. Inside the images, let's say I'm writing here Kardan, just only Kardan, and click on HTML. No, this is GIF. Minimize this and check it out here. Inside the classes, morning from S 23/5 images, I'm having this GIF. Now let me use this. I want to use this FrontPage. Inside the front page, directly I'm inserting a table. I need a table of, let's say, 5 rows and 3 columns of width in pixels. How much? 990. Right click, page properties. One thing, margins top left. Again, all cells selected. Right click, table properties. Alignment of the table, center. Border size, 0. Apply. Okay. Again, right click, cell properties. Horizontal alignment, left. Vertical alignment, top. Apply. Okay. Now let's say the first row I'm going to merge. Right click, merge cells. Now I want to make its alignment as center. Right click, cell properties. Horizontal alignment, center. Vertical alignment, middle. Apply. Okay. Now in this one cell, I want to use that one image. So how? Insert picture from file. Insert picture from file. Over the desktop, here I'm having the classes folder. Morning from S. Images, and this image inserted here. Image is visible. Why? Background is white color. Here image visible or not? This is actually image, okay? The first frame was blank, if you remember. The first frame I've taken is blank. Now save it, Control S, over the same location. Class is morning, term S 23/5/2012, and I'm writing here index.html. Change title. This is animation demonstration, and save. Now here is the file. Here index.html. Double click. If you want to increase its speed, yes, you can increase its speed as well. Let me increase it. This is 25. Instead of 25, let me write here 10. This one as well 10. All of them 10. And most of the time in our websites we use Flash banners. Flash. But what's the drawback of Flash? For Flash you have to install plugins. For Flash you have to install plugins. Flash plugin. One thing, it makes the website heavy, but here the same thing if you are going to make here in the GIF, so that will be better. Limited size, small size, and this should wait for 200 seconds. 200 means 2 seconds, right? Again save this file. You have to click on export wizard, continue. From here increase its size to 256, export. This is, let's say, Cardan 2. Minimize, and let's say click here and enter. Under this one, image, insert picture from file, cardan2.gif. This one as well inserted. Control S for saving, right? And now refresh it out. Now see. Look towards the second one, look towards the first one. Is thing clear? The same animation if I would like to do with pictures, the same animation if you would like to do with the pictures. So for that, what you have to do, close it. Actually this is an image, but the image is GIF graphical interface. In a sort of animation is there, and check out its size. What's its size? 3.85 KB. 3.85 is nothing. This one size 3.85 KB. If the same animation you are going to create using Flash, that will be round about 50 KB. Mean to say almost double, 10 times of this thing. 10 times not, 15 times of this one. So that will be heavy, right? Okay, now I want to create an animated GIF. Close this one. It's saying that save changes to untitled1.png. I'm saying no. Again, I need another canvas. Create new. Width and height we can adjust later on. That's not a big issue, right? With the images, okay. So first of all, copy some images if you are having. Let's say hard drive. It will not take that much time. Let me copy some images from here. But do remember the images dimension must be same. 410, 480. Okay, let me copy these images. Look here, 480 into 294. This is 480, right? This is also 480. This is also 480. This is also 480. This is also 480. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 images selected. Control C. Images copied. Right now, here in the images folder, paste them. Now rename these images. Okay, don't rename, no problem. First of all, I'm going to open this one image. Fireworks already I'm having open with me, right? Click on the image, drag and drop it here, right? Drag and drop. Now click aside and click here on fit canvas. Click here on fit canvas, right? Canvas fit according to the image. Now I would like to make its size smaller. I want to make its size smaller. So for that I have to make use of scale tool. Right? So here you are having the scale tool. Image selected and this is scale tool. Clicked, make its size smaller. That's it. Click aside and click on fit canvas once more. In 100% means that in normal look it will look like this, right? This is my first image. Check out its width and height, 299 and 183, right? Now I need another image, so for that window and click on frames here. Next frame, click on next frame. This is next frame. Now in this next frame, drag and drop another image. Now change x-axis. X-axis means distance of this image from left side, 0. And from top, if it's not 0, you can make it 0, right? Width. Now what was the width of the previous image? This is 299 into 183. (299 into 183), right? Click on the second frame. Click on the image. Width 299 and height 183. This is 3. This is not 8. 83. Now next image I need plus. You can also do from here as well. File and you have to click on import for the desktop. Classes morning from S23/5/2012 images. Now the third one. Clicked. Now click here. X-axis 0, Y-axis 0, distance from left and top 0. Now width of the image 299 and height 183. Again click on plus, right? File, import, or you can also do from here. This is the fourth image. Drag and drop it here. Here. Come on. Click, drag and drop here. X-axis 0, Y-axis width. I will multiply you with 0. Anything multiplied with 0 equals 0. So I will multiply you with 0. 183 plus. Now the last one you are having here 111.jpg, right? Drag and drop. X-axis 0, Y-axis 0, width 299 and the height 183. Now for each and every frame, now apply timing. Double click here. I need this image for half second or 1 second. So for half second I will write 50 here. This one as well for 50 second. 50 means half second. Okay, this image I need for 200 means 2 seconds. Yes, this for 100 fine. And the last one, this one, or 100 as well, this also fine. Right? Okay, one thing more. If you want to write some text, or apply some settings here for style, so what you have to do was this rectangle tool selected. Drag and drop here. Solid. The color is red color. I want to change its color to black color. Color change to black color. Now change its x-axis, distance from left side, change it to 0, right? One thing. Now I want to fit this rectangle here to the bottom. So what I have to do, this selection tool selected, 100%, instead of 100%, let me select 400%. Click on this. Now this is exactly with the bottom. If it's not clear, then again you, for confirmation, make it 800%. Yeah, it's fine. Now again 100%. What is the width of this one picture? 299. Click on this rectangle and change its width to 299. Right? Again, for style I need one more line. Let me make it 400%. One more rectangle selected from here. One more rectangle, right? Small rectangle. Make its color red color. Again, selection tool selected. Click on this rectangle, its x-axis, want to make it 0, one thing. And now click on this rectangle and move it down. And its width as well, 299. Enter. Right? Now 400%. Sorry, 100. Now click on this one line, control the next one. Sorry, with shift. Shift mean to say click on the first one, right? I want to select both of them, and shift the second one as well. Both of them selected. Control G. G for grouping. Group them. Now both of them are single line. Now click Control C. Click on the next frame, Control V. Click on the next frame, Control V. Click on the next frame, Control V. And click on the next frame, Control V. Right? I want to write some text. Again, click on the first one frame. From here, text tool selected. Right? Click here and write some text. For example, this is picture 1. Picture 1. 0, 1. Size is big, make it size smaller, no problem. Click on the picture and here make it size smaller. Color, white color will be better. Again, size is bigger, make it size smaller, a little more. Let's say 18. Is it okay? For example, this website is for some that is car showroom. So you can write the address of that showroom there, here, anywhere, right? Now let's say click on this picture, Control C, Control V here, but edit the text. Instead of 1, I will write 2 here. Double click, Control V. Visible? Yes, visible. Not visible to you people. Where? Oh, yes. Here click, now click on the picture, Control V. Right, paste it. Now change its color to black color. Again, fourth one. Click picture, Control V. What? Okay, Control V here. Now for first one, I'm having picture 01. For the second one, I'm having picture 02. For the next one, this is 03. For the next one, 4. And for this one, I'm having 5. Right? Now link all of them. Click on the first one frame and come behind before this 5. Simply click. Clicked. Now save them. File. You have to click on Export Wizard. Continue. Now the picture quality, this is 128. Increase it to 256. Watch colors increased. Export. And inside the images folder, let me save this by the name of animated_cars. Enter. Minimize this. Now I don't need these pictures. I created an animated GIF from this one. Right click, check its properties. 127 KB. So Control Z, all these pictures selected. Check out its size. What's their size? 222 KB. 222 KB. And the animation which I created, what's their size? What is size? 127. You mean to say half of that, almost half of that, right? Now use them. How to use that? Simple. You people know better. Insert picture from file animated cards.gif. Control S. Minimize. Back. Here you are having index.html. Open it. I'm just telling you. I'm just telling you. You can do like this. This thing clear? Okay. Let me make something else as well. New canvas. I need the canvas width and height as, let's say, 300 by 300. Right? Click on this. Mean to say this area is for vector. This area is for bitmap. This is the selection area. This area for selection. This area for bitmap. From bitmap, all those controls which we have studied or which you people have studied in the MS Paint, right? So click here for some time, and from here I select it. I want to select this elliptical tool, circle tool selected, right? Drag drop here. Is this circle? It's all. I want to make it circle. So from here, apply the same width and the same height, 250 by 250, let's say. Or if you want to increase it. Let's say 300 by 300. X-axis, Y-axis. Circle selected. Okay. One thing is solid and another one having no color. So mean to say, I want to apply color to its borders. From here I selected. You have to select the object, okay? I have selected the object. The border color, red color. Okay. Also change the canvas color. For example, the canvas color is, let's say, this green color. I want to remove this white color as well from here. So what I have to do? Circle selected. This is solid. Mean to say it's inside. Fill color is solid. I want to change it to none. Right? Okay. Again, this color is for its border color. Watch. This is blue color. Watch. Again, click on the circle. Circle selected. And from here, let's say this is red color. I want to make the width of the, mean to say, thicker. Border, I want to make the border thicker. Instead of 1, let's say this is 5, 18. Click, smaller. Right? Click aside and click on fit canvas once more. Again. Up to here clear? Now I want to write some text. Text tool selected. Clicked. Here I'm writing tree. I'm writing tree here. Change its color to some dark color, let's say this one color, right? And increase its size. Right? Move this here, exactly here. Click on this tree, Control C and Control V. Double click on the text and write here 1x. 1x for 9. Click on the text, Control C, Control V. V1. V1 for, again control V. For 12, what you will write here? X11. X11. Up to here clear? Okay, again I need a circle. Again I need a small circle. This is 23 and 26. No, it's not a circle. Let me convert it to circle. Let's say this is 30 and 30. Make it dark. For example, let me change its color to black color. Right? Move it to center now. Center. Yeah, it's fine now. Now I need line tool. Line tool selected. Drag drop. Increase its width. For example, this for some time I want to increase its width to 5. Again line tool selected, increase its width, draw a line, straight line. Yeah, that's fine now. Line clicked, rotate it. This is the scale tool. Using scale tool we can also rotate it, right? A little more. Straight. Make it size smaller now. Clicked. Hide 169 instead of 169, or I can scale it from the scale tool as well, right? Make it smaller. And it's, when you say its thickness, like this. Yeah. Right. Change the canvas color if you want to change it to something else. Window, click on frames. Just I'm giving you idea that you can interact with frames as well, right? Control A, all of them selected, all of them selected. Control C, Control C. If you are going to make a group, then what about this needle? Control A, Control C. Copied. Here I need another frame. Control V. X-axis for all of them. 0, and for this one as well 0. What the hell? Sabar. This frame, second frame selected, deleted. Let me do something else with this. Click on this line, Control X, all of them selected, and Control G. Group, right? Now Control V. Line is here, right? Next frame. But in the next frame, first of all, you have to copy this circle plus all these digits. Control C and click in the second frame, Control V. Right? From the first frame, I need this line, Control C, and this frame paste it. Line pasted, but I have to move this line towards this here to this one section. So what I have to do? No, not another line, not scale tool. There is a, yeah, Control Alt, and move line like this, right? Right? Again, click on this line, Control C, line copied. Or first of all, insert another frame. Frame inserted. Now in the second frame, what I'm going to do, click on this the back structure, copy it, and in the next frame paste it. Now from the previous frame I'm going to copy this line, Control C. Now in this frame Control V, and move this line towards left side, right? Sabar. Again, from this frame I'm copying the circle plus digits, Control C. In the new frame, Control V here, right? Now from the top frame, what I'm copying? This line, Control C, and in this frame, Control V and Shift, move it down. Now arrange the frames. First of all this one, after this one, no. Move this frame up. And again that one. Timing 1 second. 100 by 100. 100 by 100 represents second. Right? If you want to write some text here, you can write text here as well, either in circular form or whatever, right? File, export wizard, continue. Instead of 128, 256, export and clock. Minimize. Here in this one cell, let me use it here. Right click, no, not here, in the next cell. Insert picture from file, and here clock.gif. Insert it. Control S, close this one, and here you are having, refresh it. Is this clear? So now it's up to you. How much, it depends upon your thinking. Yeah, what you are making. Right? Thank you so much.